information. Here is a flood watch. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, east central Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Minturn, or 8 miles northwest of Dillon, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Red Springs, Pembroke, Roland, Clio, Reman, Hammer, south of the border, Bowie, Bingham, Purvis, Prospect, Dunbar, Little Rock, Minturn, Elrod, Wakulla, McDonald, and Renham. Here is a flood watch. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight.